Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction week from 2nd of November to 8th of November 2020. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and nothing to do with your sun sign. Please follow my video, please follow my predictions based on your ascendants. So let's start for the Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, this whole week from 2nd of November to 8th of November 2020, your Ascendant Lord is in retrograde. So you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while signing any new contract. This is not very productive time. You may earn some money, there is no doubt, but but that will be an underperformance. Your seniors will be satisfied, but after your great struggle and hard work. And this is a time when you can put your 1000% effort, then you will get 100% good results. Otherwise, this whole week you will be a little bit frustrated and feeling very low and disturbed because Mars is retrograde till 14th November 2020. So guys, stay positive and be happy. This is your, God is testing your patience in this week. But overall, you will achieve a lot of things after your hard work and after your struggle. This whole week brings some confusion, tension, depression, especially for Aries native. So guys, please do good things and think positive and think very, if you think positive and good for about yourself, you will definitely success in this week. Otherwise, you will be in a great stress without any reason. You are feeling very low and negative because Mars is retrograde, Mercury is also retrograde. Mercury is going to direct from 4th of November and Jupiter is in your 9th house, which is going to give you a lot of blessings. So you are blessed because Jupiter is in 9th house till 20th November. So this whole week your fortune smile for you. After your hard work, you will get success and you will achieve some small milestones at your workplace. In the terms of family and friends, this whole week brings mixed results for you. There is some confusion and there is some arguments between your elders or relationship with your spouse will be affected. Need to be calm and be humble and try to use nice words in front of everyone. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants, this whole week from 2nd of November to 8th of November 2020, you will be in a far better position. There is no doubt. Work pressure will irritate you, but you will enjoy a lot of comforts. There is a strong chances you may get promoted and your salary will rise after 4th of November. After 4th of November to 8th of November, these days will be ultimate for you. You will enjoy a lot of success, name, fame, prosperity. Your health will be fine and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Once Mercury goes to direct, it will give you a lot of benefits. You will earn a lot of money from other source of earning. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. You will enjoy all type of comfort. This is a time when your desire will be fulfilled. After 4th of November to till 8th of November, you will enjoy a lot of positivity and you will see a big change at your workplace. The pressure which you face from last 20 days, now it's going to end from 4th of November. Stay positive, stay happy. Jupiter is going to enter in your 9th house from 20th November. It will be an ultimate time start for you if you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha in your individual birth chart. Overall, as per transit, Taurus, you must get promoted and there are strong chances your seniors will be satisfied from your job or your profession or your performance at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, first of all, you need to be careful while talking with your elders. This is not a very fruitful time. From 2nd November to 4th of November, these 2-3 days will be struggling for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very low. There's a strong chance for spend some extra money. Unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your health is not fine. You will be in a very difficult situation. You will face very difficult situation. And this time when your things is not working as per your expectations. So overall guys, this is a time when you stay positive and be happy. And if you feel any negativity about your health or feel some stomach related trouble you will saw or feel, you must consult with your nearest astrologer because dynamics is not in your favor. This is a time when you will face some struggle and hurdles. Overall source of earning after 4th of November will develop and you will feel much relaxed and better. But this is a time when you struggle, when you will going to struggle a lot of things and achievements is not very promising. So do your best, do your efforts. This is a bit struggling time because Saturn is transit in your 8th house. And for 20th November, Jupiter is also joining in 8th house with Saturn. But in this week, Mercury is going to direct from 4th of November. So 4th of November to 8th of November will be a game changer days for you when you are feeling better. Try to be humble and polite with your elders, and you should take blessings of your elders, and you must try to touch feet of your parents. This is like a game changer act for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, you will be on another height of success in this week. From 2nd November to 8th of November, if you are unemployed, you will get job. If you don't have source of earning, your source of earning will develop. Your business start some small profits, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family and your siblings will support you. You will enjoy some quality time with your family and friends. There is strong chances for some small journeys during this week from 2nd November to 8th of November. Overall, this is a time when your good fortune started smile for you, and you will be on another height of success. But your 10th Lord is retrograde. Don't start any new work till 14th November, and don't invest your new money. If you are working in any company, or you are engineer, or you are doctor, this time you will get a lot of appreciation. You will be sky high and top. For those native who are businessmen, for Cancer Ascendants, they may feel some delay or suffer related to source of earning, related to orders, related to professional life. But keep calm and stay positive. After 14th November, your things will be work out and you will sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, this whole week will bring mixed result for you. You will be feeling very low and disturbed related to your some pending work. You are not in a comfort zone. You are not feeling very promising. You feel very nervous. You feel very disturbed and disheartened. Don't argue with anyone. Don't try to argue with your business associates. Let's go with the time, because this time is little bit struggling because Mars is retrograde, Mercury is retrograde, which is not very fruitful because Mercury represents trading. If you are a businessman, if you are investing your money in stock market, or you are already invested, or you are going to invest, then you don't invest till 4th of November. You may invest or you may start any new venture after 4th of November. But overall, Leo, you need to be positive and think positive, because this is a little bit struggling period till 14th November. The day Mars is going to direct, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, and you will feel much relaxed and better. And your professional life will be sky high because your good fortune started smile for you after 14th November. Overall, this whole week, you will be little bit disturbed, upset, and relationship with your spouse, relationship with your elders will be affected due to your negative thoughts, due to your negative talks with your family. So don't use any negative talks. Stay positive. You are blessed man, and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. Must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning. It will be help a lot. And now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not in a comfort zone till 4th of November. This whole week brings mixed result for you. 2nd November to 4th November, you are not in a comfort zone. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling very positive. You are thinking very negative, and your health is not promising. You are getting very disturbed without any reason. You are under depression, or you are under deep thinking without any reason. You are thinking a lot because Mercury is retrograde. But from 4th of November, your situation will be changed. Mercury is going to direct. It will help you a lot. You will enjoy good health. You will enjoy good source of earning. Your health will you will feel very positive energy, and your finances will be excellent. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, and this is a time when you will be top and sky high. And after 4th November to 8th November, you feel much relaxed and better, and your thinking about your professional life will be changed. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of materialistic gains. This is a time when your savings will rise, and you will enjoy some quality time with your family and friends. Especially Friday and Saturday, you will spend quality time with your family or friends. Don't try to think too much. Avoid thinking too much. It will be helpful for you. Otherwise, you will be in depression without any reason. Overall, this whole week will brings you mixed result. After 4th of November, your game will be changed, and you feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, this is a time when your success will convert, your hard work will convert in sweet success. You will enjoy great success. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Especially Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will be a game changer days for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are already doing any type of business, your business start going to give you some small profits. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled and your wish will be granted, and you're feeling much relaxed and better. Mentally you feel very strong, and financially you feel much relaxed. Relationship with your spouse will be good. Relationship with your family or friend will be ultimate, especially Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. You will spend some quality time with your family, friend on the weekend. Overall, this is very promising week for you. You need to focus on your business. Your business is going to give you very fruitful results beyond your expectations. If you are trader, any type of trading you are, if you are trader, shopkeeper or manufacturer, you will definitely grow a lot in this week, and you will feel much relaxed in the terms of finances. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, this whole week, good fortune started smile for you. You will get a lot of good orders from far away place from your place. If you are living in India, you may get some order from foreign land, or there's a strong chances you will feel very positive energy. But you don't try to start any new business venture with someone till 4th of November. The day Mercury is going to direct, you may start any new venture after 4th of November. But this whole week you will blessed with some unexpected gains. If you are investing your money in stock market or you are doing intraday, you will enjoy a lot of benefits, a lot of comforts, and you will sky high and top. Your seniors will satisfy from your performance if you are in job, and there is a strong chances you may get promoted in this week. This is a time when your skills, people appreciate your skills, and you will be sky high and top. You will feel very relaxed and very positive energy. But overall, if you have a good Mahadasha, if you have a like Mars Mahadasha, Sun Mahadasha, Moon Mahadasha or Jupiter Mahadasha in your individual birth chart, then you will be sky high and top. If you have a Rahu Ketu Mahadasha or Saturn Mahadasha and Saturn placement is not very promising in your birth chart, you may suffer a little bit. But overall, this whole week brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, and your desires will be fulfilled. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, this is a time if you wanna switch off your job, please don't think too much. Do your best, do your efforts. You will definitely get new job with great salary hike. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled, when your family will support you, your father will support you. You may get some inheritance from your father's side. This is a time when you spend some quality time with your family and friends. This whole week brings a lot of success, peace of mind, good savings, good earning. If you are a businessman, you may sign new document, new contract which will make you happy. Sagittarius, Jupiter is in your first house. Your ruling planet, your ascendant lord Jupiter is in your first house. It will give you a lot of success, good fortune, peace of mind, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will be fine, your family will support you, your spouse is supporting you. This is a time when when people appreciate your skills and people appreciate you because you are going to do something wonders which will be very promising in the terms of your personal life and professional life. So overall, Sagittarius, this is the ultimate week for you. You must take advantage of this week, and especially after 4th November when Mercury is going to direct till 8th of November, you will be sky high and top, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to be careful and alert while dealing with your spouse. This is not very promising week. This is a time when some arguments with your spouse will affected on your personal life, and you may get irritated when you are at home and you are not feeling comfortable with your life partner. This is a time when you may involve in any litigation or any problem. Just be patient and relax. Just wait for the 20 November. Once Jupiter enter in your first house, you will definitely feel much relaxed and better. And in this week, because Mercury is retrograde, Mars is retrograde, so you need to keep calm and do your best. Always keep smiling on your face. Otherwise, you will be involved of any type of litigation with your life partner. There's a strong chances you may file divorce. You may file any type of any type of police report, or any type of problem may irritate you in your personal relationship. Please be patient. A big planet in solar system going to change from 20th November, and your all thinking and your all thought will be changed about your life partner. Just be relaxed and do your best. Very soon you will enter in a very positive events. So now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of happiness for you, especially after 4th of November to 8th of November. There is a strong chances for some unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. you will feel much relaxed. 2nd November to 4th of November, you're feeling a bit low related to your health, but after 4th November, you will enjoy a lot of good comforts related to your health. Your mind will be stable and you will enjoy some quality time with your family and friends. This whole week brings a lot of happiness, success, gains in business. Your old investments will give you very fruitful returns. This whole week, you will be sky high and top. Your bank account will full with money, and cash flow will make you happy. If you are trader, if you are any type of shopkeeper, or you are dealing any type of trading item, this is a time when you will be sky high and you earn heaven of money. You will earn a lot of money and your source of earning will develop. And now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascenders. Pisces Ascenders, from 2nd November to 8th of November, first 2 days will be struggling for you. After 4th of November, your whole game will be changed. You are feeling much relaxed and better, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your savings will rise, your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family and your friends will support you. You may get any good advice from your family or your near dear, which will be act like a game changer for you if you follow that advice in your life. So this is a time when your desires will be fulfilled. You will be on another height of success. If you plan something in past dates, this is a time after 4th of November to 8th of November. You may execute your plan and you may start any new business. You may invest your money in stock market. You may invest your money in any type of business. If you have a good Mahadasha in your individual birth chart, you will definitely rock and you will enjoy a lot of good gains. Thank you for watching my video. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar. Jai Hind.